So in this lecture, the reasons for its late in freeze and why it matters. There are three reasons. Three reasons the Arctic freeze is unseasonably late. First is Siberia's 100-degree summer. Second is changes the salt on sea ice. And third is warm snake in underwater. So we will see one by one that what are these. Okay, so let's move to the first one. Siberia's 100-degree summer. So let's see this. The summer melt season in the Arctic started early. So basically the melting season in Arctic region was starting before the time. Before the time. And what was the time? Like if it start melting in March, March or April or May, maybe it start before that. Okay, and other thing is Serbia's Serbian heat wave in June pushed air temperature over 100-degree. So main thing is it's talking about air temperature, not the earth temperature, not the environmental temperature for the existence of humans. Let's talk about the air temperature on some parts of the environment for the first time. Okay, and let's move to the other thing. The so the loss of reflective sea ice exposed dark ocean means the ice removed from the ocean and light can go deep inside the ocean. Other option and the other thing is while readily absorb the sun heat promotes even more ice melting. Like if if you can see that if ice absorb more heat, then it can lead towards more ice melting, more ice melting. Okay, so let's move to the other reason. So here it's talking about warm snake in underwater. And what is this warm snakes? So streams of warmer water water from Atlantic Ocean flows into the Arctic at the Barents Sea. So let's see the map first. Here it is Arctic Ocean, and somehow here is Atlantic Ocean, and here is Barents Sea. Okay, so from uh, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, heat waves move from this side, and from this side it goes to the Arctic Ocean. Okay, it's go to the Arctic Ocean. So it's talking about this phenomena. And let's move to the our main thing. So when heat when heat flow moves to the Arctic Ocean, and this process is called Atlantification. Okay, the ice is now getting hit both from top by warming atmosphere and at the bottom by warming ocean. So it's talking about this is the ice, this is the ice, this is the water, in the ocean, and this is the water which flows under it, and by this it heating up from bottom, and like atmosphere, it hitting it from the upper side. Okay, so this is the thing, simple thing. So let's move to the other thing, other reason. So the other reason is changes salt on sea ice. And what are those assaults? So you all know that the climate change is happening, and due to this many other phenomena were happening, and like that the Arctic ice extent and thickness has been dropping from decades as global temperature rise. Okay, so this year when the ice reached its minimum extent in September, it was second lowest on recorded, just behind that of 2012. So in September, the ice is thinnest. The ice is thinnest like it was happening in 2012. And the fourth thing is, under these salts are, as the Arctic lose ice and the ocean absorb more solar radiation, more solar radiation, global warming is amplified. As we already discussed that if uh, ocean exposed to the sun and it absorb more heat, and solar radiation may lead to the more loss of ice, and the other effect is that can affect ocean. And this all, why this is important, because this can affect ocean circulation, weather pattern, Arctic ecosystem spanning the food chain from phytoplankton and plankton all the way to predators. Okay, so if why is this a matter of concern? Main thing is, if it's continuously you can see that if continuously ice melt, then it can lead to the imbalance of the region, and it can disturb the food chain, it can disturb the life inside the ocean, it can lead towards the other serious problems which may affect the region and also to the globe. That's the reason that the ice is not getting freeze even in October. So if you want PDF of this, you can join us on Telegram. You can also join us on Instagram and Twitter. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can never miss an update. Thank you.